somebody outside of ourselves, an ultimate mechanic to come in, step into the mud race that is our life. Somebody with clean hands, not part of what we're doing, right? To wash us out. That's what we needed. We needed somebody that could come in and we can, like I said, we can limp along with the brokenness in us. We can take our dirty filters and continue to ride. Eventually we're going to blow up. Eventually we're going to crash. We need someone else. Yesterday was, I got this, I can do it. God, I want what I want, and what I want isn't you, because I got something called sin. Today is God saying, whoa, 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 whoa. I want you though. And I'm going to pursue you though. And I'm going to enter into the mud race for you though. And I'm going to be the mechanic for you though. And I am going to be the surgeon to fix your brokenness for you.